Jake Maddox and Graham Salisbury. Jake Maddox is an athlete, author, and world traveler. He writes about sports and adventures that he takes on his travels. He's inspired many writers to follow the way he writes. His books include the lessons of teamwork, fair play, sense of self-worth, and discipline. He wanted to combine his two favorite things, writing and sports. Through his travels, he has surfed in Hawaii, scuba dived in Australia, and climbed the mountains of Peru and Alaska. His books range from the most popular team sports to outdoor activities to survival adventures and even into auto racing. With his travels, all of the things that are being done by himself or he has seen people do, this has led other authors to travel and try these things to help make their experiences more worthwhile and their books more intriguing. Jake Maddox realizes that it takes more than one man or woman to create a book good enough for young readers to learn all of these lessons. He hopes the lessons learned on the court, field, or arena and the champion sprinter pace of his books can motivate kids to become better athletes and lifelong readers. Graham Salisbury. He is a writer, musician, and artist. His books are based in Hawaii. His collections of writing are about and for boys because he lost his father at a young age. He writes many coming-to-age stories. He writes about his adventures in Hawaii, such as the Pearl Harbor attack and shark attacks. Since Graham grew up in Hawaii, he has background about what it's like and has a connection to each of the books that he writes. He writes for boys because growing up he lost his father and there wasn't a male role model in his life that he could learn from, so he wants to be that for the boys that also don't have that. He wants to teach boys about becoming mature as they are growing up. Since he lived in Hawaii and had many opportunities to explore the land and the water, which led to many ideas that his books are based off of. Why I chose Jake Maddox and Graham Salisbury? Well, both of their are authors for the ages around 7 and 9 years old. Both write about adventures and travels. They both have different ways of expressing the story, and life lessons can be seen throughout their writings. Jake Maddox writes about the lessons such as working together, discipline, and many other lessons that children this age could use, where Graham writes for boys who don't have a male role model in their life who need the guidance of becoming a man. The genre of their writings are realistic fiction, which are stories that can happen to people and animals, but the characters are created by the authors. Though the characters are created by the authors, the actions and reactions are based off of the events that have actually happened in the author's life or throughout history. These books that these authors have written are in the thrill of sports, mystery, and adventures category of realistic fiction. This category has a wide appeal to mostly reluctant readers, and adventures occur outside of the control of adults. These types of books are read by children because they're having to come over the challenges and go through the adventures by themselves or with others their age instead of adults who try to take over. The styles of the books, some similarities are that they both write about adventure and they're both centered around teaching lessons of their books. Since Jack Maddox travels the world, he has gotten inspiration from all the places he has visited and writes about the sports that he has done or seen in the places that he has been. As to Graham Salisbury lives in Hawaii. He writes more of his adventures about what's happening in Hawaii for the most part. Jack focuses on teamwork and discipline as well as many others. Graham also writes about life lessons of discipline and teamwork for young men who are growing up without that male role model. Some differences are the audiences that they're writing for, the illustrations within the books, and the collections versus individual books. Jack writes both for female and males, as you can see in Windsurfing Winter and Storm Surfer. As to Graham only writes for boys, but girls could also read his collection of books, but they will have a different point of view. Jack illustrates more focused on what is happening within the text, where Graham are the scenery as well as what is happening in the text. Graham has a collection of books, so his focuses on Calvin Coconut, such as these two books. There are, I believe, 6 to 8 books in this series. And as to Jack writes individual books, such as Windsurfer is one book by itself and Storm Surfer is a different one. And there's also many different sports that you can look up in his books. The audience, Jake Maddox's audience are sports fans, which could be females or males, and adventure seekers. The majority of Jake's books are sports related, and the lessons that are shown throughout the book are related to the sport that the character is playing. So in these two there, it is a bull rider and a field hockey girl. And Jake doesn't just write for boys who like sports, he also writes for girls, and there's a wide range of books for both boys and girls in his collections. Since he has traveled a lot, he writes about the sports that he has seen or done in those places and makes readers want to go out to those places and try the sports that he had tried or seen. It can also attract people who don't play a certain sport that want to learn a different sport just by reading that particular book. And Graham's Salisbury's audience are mostly males. Again, people who don't have a male role model in their life, and adventure seekers. The majority of Graham's books are more focused on males because the lessons that he chooses to write around are how to grow up and become a mature adult. While Graham was growing up, he had lost his father. This gave him the want to write books for boys that were also in his position of not having a father. His books were also about adventures as well as learning the lessons. Since he was from Hawaii, he would write about the fun things he used to do around the island.